Instantaneous wastewater heat recovery systems are in essence a low-risk, high-yield solution are heat exchangers that harness the heat from drain water to preheat incoming cold mains water. There are many commercially available solutions featuring various designs, configurations, and installation possibilities. Wastewater heat recovery systems are generally easy to install and require minimal maintenance. Wastewater heat recovery systems are compact, sturdy, and have no moving parts, making them cost-effective for production and commercialization. They require simultaneous hot and cold water flows, making them particularly suitable for showers. They operate on the principle of energy regeneration from wastewater, delivering energy savings without compromising the temperature and flow at the showerhead. In new buildings and deep renovations, plumbing system designs can be adapted to facilitate the integration of the systems. This flexibility enables the incorporation of wastewater heat recovery systems from the outset, optimizing both the design and efficiency of the system. For existing buildings, however, the depth of the intervention is a crucial factor influencing the integration of the system. The constraints imposed by the existing construction and plumbing systems must be carefully considered. So many people contributed to the development of the Guidebook, and a lot of practical examples are incorporated. The Guidebook was carefully developed by REHVA's Technology and Research Committee, supported by a specialized task force of experts in wastewater heat recovery and related fields. Product manufacturers contributed valuable market feedback and shared real-life applications of the technology, providing practical examples to illustrate key concepts.
Here I want to thank very much for this effort, which was excellent, and also experts working on this guidebook, which is really extraordinary effort. You know, the cooperation was excellent. Guidebook is live and printed and available online. So let me thank you for the cooperation, and hope to continue like this in the outreach of the guidebook to the market, because it's not enough to have it written, but we need to work together to you know, approach as many professionals as possible to use it in their daily work.